Pyramid is the best example for teamwork and team spirit. The tower formation. Audience, can you cheer them up? Come on, give a big round of applause. They are making such a difficult display over here. So why don't you cheer them up? The formation of hand mountain. Here they are making the mountain with their hands. Come on audience, be active. Yeah, what is a new invention over here? A human cycle with a fan on both the sides. So when you ride a bicycle, you won't feel bored. Audience, are you feeling hot? Now you won't be, because here we are going to make two fans for you all to make you all feel so breezy and cool. Here are the two fans. Here is the headstand. Audience, if your tickets are not booked, then don't worry. Because in our school, we have the helicopter facility over here which is made by our pyramid children. The helicopter formation is running so smoothly over here. You can join others and you can reach your destination in a short time. Come on audience, why don't you cheer them up? Come on, give a big round of applause. Now the beautiful fish formation. Those who didn't get a chance for the live fish, you can see it over here. Our children, they are not only good in sports, but even in science and technology too. The human robots. The human robots are coming ahead. I knew that the display done by the pyramid children are on freezers. Come on, big round of applause again. Wonderful formation, children. Keep up the good work. When people are down and depressed, songs